I feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
The fire makes the city look so bright. Close your eyes and just stay tight. We have to go. Stay with me while we leave. Don't worry, just believe me. This journey will relieve us. Stay with me while we leave. Stay with me while we leave. Don't worry, just believe me. This journey will relieve us. Stay with me.
Hello guys, today I'll here with my new Blanca gun. It will load like this. If you will push it again back, then it will fire very hardly. See what a loud voice. It's not much hard to load it, but you will push it again, then it will load. It will take more power. If you shoot like this much only, then it will not hurt badly. See, I loaded. You should put the BB bullets upper side. See, I'll shooting it at my Blanca box. If you shoot this much only, see, there's no hole. If you shoot full loaded, then it will get hole. If you shoot like this, then you wanna push it again, then push it and lock it. It will not load it. See, you can't load from this. First you need to open this. Then you can open it. Then you can load it. Let's try to shoot it in a fiber box. I bought a Ferroche fiber box to shoot. I will try it in full loaded. Let's try it first from BB bullets. If you wanna put BB bullets, you need to put it upper side. If you're doing with bullets, then you should put in this small downhole. As you can see, it gets some type of crack in a fiber box if you shoot with baby bullets. Let's try with the bullets. As you can see, this bullet is come here after shooting. Let's try it with pellets. As you can see, it is the pellets. Now it's time to put it again. As you can see, I put it in downside. And oh, I think so it. See? It get hold in a fiber box. So big. The bullets get inside. No, the glass, the fiber glass. There's no bullet inside. Oh, the bullet is here. Let's try it again. First, I will try to put it from the pellets. As you can see, I am putting it outside in this small hole. If you wanna put some baby bullets, you need to put it upper side. You can put total 18 baby bullets in the upper side, but only one pellets in downside. Oh shit! What's happened? See, it get hold. This time it gets some bigger hole with pellets. Now after, where's the bullet gone again? Let's see. Oh, it's get big hole. The bullet is in the corner. See, it get folded. This stainless steel pellets, first the glass and now the bullet. See, it get pushed. Let's try it from the baby bullets. You can put 18 bullets, 18 baby bullets total. Let's see again what happened now. The bullets come over here and there. Nothing much happened. The pellets is nice. If you shoot the baby bullets in your hand, it not get hold. It only flow of blood. If you shoot it full with pellets, then it will get inside of your hand.